This is a short overview of the ASU-Beebe Single Sign-on. With one login, you can access many important sites and resources. Let's start by opening a web browser and then typing my.asub.edu in the search box, and then press enter. Now, enter your ASU-Beebe email username and press enter. Next, type in your account password and press enter again. Now, verify your login with Duo. If you have the Duo mobile app installed, open your phone, check your notifications, select Tap to View Action on the Duo push notification, and verify your login. Only select Stay Signed In if you are on a personal device. I am going to select No for now. Alright, we are on the ASU-Beebe Single Sign-on. You can click these links to instantly sign on to your email, Canvas, Zoom, as well as many other things. Next, you can click Manage Favorites to pin your most used links to the top of the page. I'm going to drag and drop Canvas, Zoom, and email inside the dotted line box. Click Save Favorites. Now these links will always appear at the top of my.asub.edu when you log in. Also, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to find links. Now, as a demonstration, I'm going to open Canvas. Jumping back to the single sign-on page, click your name in the top right of the page to turn on dark mode, and most importantly, to sign out. It's always important to sign out of your account when using a public device. Alright, this concludes our overview of the ASU-Beebe Single Sign-on. Thank you for watching.